Look at this. I asked my Hermes agent to fire multiple sub-agents for the research on Anthropic IPO investment. And it has fired literally multiple sub-agents for researching whether I should invest in Anthropic IPO or I should not invest in Anthropic IPO. Multiple agents were fired here. All these agents did the research for me. Thereafter, Hermes agent acts as the supervisor agent. Thereafter, Hermes agent gave me its final recommendation. What should I do with this IPO investment idea? Similarly, if you have any particular task in your mind, you can get that done with the Hermes agent, and that is completely going to be free of cost. I have consumed millions of the tokens, and everything is free of cost. There is no charge at all. As you can see here, I consumed here millions of the token. It is completely free of cost. So in this particular lesson, I'm going to show you how you can set up this Hermes agent, and then how you can do this free AI API setup with the Hermes agent. All right, everyone, let's get started with the Hermes agent setup. So first of all, you need to come on this particular link. Thereafter, you are going to get download for Windows. If you have a Mac OS or Linux operating system, click on install. Then it is going to give you here option for Mac OS, Windows and Linux. Let's download it for Windows. It is going to be super simple and super easy. Let's click on that. Thereafter, it is going to get started with the installation process. Let's click on install Hermes. Excellent. It has started installation. In meantime, while it is installing, let me just show you how it is being done. So as you can see here, it is actually running it on the terminal, and on terminal, it is installing everything. So your Hermes agent is now installed. Let's click on launch Hermes. It is going to take a little bit time to launch it. Thereafter, you are going to see a screen, something like this, where you can configure your Hermes agent. For example, you are going to have here Hermes agent sessions, pinned messages, artifacts, messaging, new sessions, skills, tools, and so much more. Let me just quickly give you a walkthrough so that you can be aware of this Hermes UI. So this is where you can start a new session. This is where you can get all the skills and the tool associated with the Hermes agent. Thereafter, this is where you can get all the messaging tools. For example, if you want to connect your Hermes with the Telegram, Discord, Slack, there are so many actually. In coming lessons, I'll be showing you all of these. It is going to be a complete playlist like OpenClaw previously I covered. Similarly, it is going to be for Hermes agent as well. Apart from that, you can also do all the settings from here. Click on there, then it is going to open all the settings. You have all the model options set up here. Currently, if you are installing this Hermes agent as a desktop mode, it is going to give you a free tier option, so you don't need to pay anything as of now. Thereafter, you are going to have all the chat here. So currently, there is no personality here for the chat setting. Let's go ahead and set a technical personality. Thereafter, you have here appearance, whether you want to set it as a light theme, dark theme, or how you want to set it here. Workspace is going to let you set the project working directory. So this is where it is going to work. That means it is going to work in home directory. Thereafter, there are safety controls as well, like how do you want to approve. Currently, it is set on manual, but if you want to set it as autonomous agent, you can make it smart. So it will go ahead and it will approve everything automatically. Thereafter, you have approval timeout. If you don't approve particular request by 60 seconds, it will automatically decline. And there are so many other settings. As I told you, in coming lessons, I'll be covering each and everything. This is where it is going to save the memory and the context. So you will notice here one thing, it is going to be the persistent memory. That means it is auto improving agent. As you start chatting with this agent, as you improve your workflow, this agent is going to learn everything for you, so that the next time when you start working on your project, you don't need to explain it from the scratch. It is going to learn everything from your previous interactions. Thereafter, there are the voice chats as well. So you can use, there are multiple providers here. You can use these providers to get started with the STT and the TTS. Now let's go ahead and see how you can do free AI setup with the Hermes agent. You need to simply come here on providers, click on there. Thereafter, you are going to get here multiple options. Currently, it is connected with the Anthropic. It is paid actually. Let's go ahead and connect it with other providers, which we can use as free of cost. There are so many options. You have OpenRouter, you have Google Gemini, you have GitHub Copilot, and so many more. Let's go ahead and select the OpenRouter. OpenRouter is a service provider where you can get hundreds of the models, thousands of the model in free of cost. Thereafter, what you have to do here, you need to just simply come here, select the Open Router, and then you need to press your Open Router API key. So how you can do that? You need to come here on the openrouter.com, openrouter.ai actually. Come over here, API keys, thereafter create a new API key. I'm going to create here Hermes Agent API key. I'm going to select here expiration 1 hour so that after my video, this API key will expire, but for you, you can select no expiry. Let's go ahead and create it. Then it is going to give us here API key. Thereafter, I just come over on Hermes Agent Setup Guide and simply I paste my API key here. That's all I have to do. Let's go ahead and save it. That's all I have to do here. Thereafter, just simply close it from here. And that's all you have to do. If you just simply come over here, then you have here Open Router as well. Let's go ahead and refresh the model. I just simply come here and edit all these models. Currently inside the Open Router, I have here so many models. All these models are available using the Open Router. You have Nemotron Ultra, you have Nemotron 3 Super. There are many models which is currently free of cost. You can select those models through the Open Router and then you can get started. For example, if you select the Nemotron 3 Ultra and Nemotron 3 Super, these are completely free of cost, and Laguna M.1 is also free of cost. Let's go ahead and select this Laguna M.1 free model. So I just simply come here, thereafter I just select the Laguna M.1 free model. Here it is. This is completely free of cost. And thereafter, I just simply say hi. It is going to respond to me. This is how you can set the free AI API with the Hermes agent. Now here you see it has started thinking. Excellent. It has started working. Congratulations. Now I'm going to ask here a simple question I have here. Let me just put that here as well. So please read my downloads directory and copy all my ChatGPT generated images to my desktop inside a folder named ChatGPT images. You can see how good this Hermes agent is actually. So it is going to control our computer. It is going to have the control over our keyboard, mouse, and monitor screens as well. But you will not feel that because it is going to do that with the terminal itself. So it is going to run over the terminals. Thereafter, it is going to copy all the ChatGPT images from the download directory, then it is going to place it on my desktop directory. So as you see here, all these workings, how it is being done here. All right, so in meantime, you can have a look on my download directory here. So it looks like this. There are so many ChatGPT generated images. Let me just quickly show you my desktop as well. So this is how desktop currently look like. There is no ChatGPT as of now here, but in some time we are gonna get that once Hermes finishes its execution here. And finally, it is done. Now you can see here these many images got copied on desktop ChatGPT images folder. Let's go ahead and check that. And now I can see here ChatGPT images, and inside that there are so many images. All these images got copied from the download directory. Remember, I did not tell to move, I did not tell to delete anything. So all those images are already here. They just got copied from this place to this place as well, so that I can have a look on all these ChatGPT generated images in one go. All right, everyone, let's go ahead and see how you can fire a multiple sub agents with the Hermes agent. I have a very interesting question here. I'm just gonna put that here. I have heard Anthropic may be going for an IPO in the US market. Please check it for me. Fire two agent. One should research why should I invest in Anthropic IPO, and another should research why I should not invest in Anthropic IPO. Then as a main agent, compare both sides and decide what I should do. In meantime, you will notice here one sub agent is fired here, but in some time you are gonna see here couple of sub agents are going to be fired here. Those sub agents are going to work parallelly. So it is really going to be very interesting that the two AI agents are talking to each other. They are discussing to each other. If you click on here, thereafter you can see two sub agent has started here. One sub agent you can see here, research and present a comprehensive case for investing in Anthropic. Another one is comprehensive case against investing in Anthropic. This is really cool. Two agents, they are discussing and they are competing with each other. And then Hermes agent, that's the main agent, is working as a supervisor. It is monitoring the response from these two agents. Excellent. This is really excellent. Now here you can see it has started the task and agents are running. This is excellent. In some time we are going to get the final result. And here we have got the final result. It is generating that final result. Let's go ahead and see how it look like. So here it is. Just scroll it here. Anthropic IPO investment analysis for and versus. For and against. Thereafter, you have here from the Anthropic newsroom and my research. So all these details are there. Thereafter, here is the case for investing in Anthropic IPO. Thereafter, here is the case for not investing in Anthropic IPO. This is really awesome. You see here, everything is there. Thereafter, as a main agent, this is going to recommend you. These are the recommendation. And here you go with the alternative AI players as well. And obviously, here you have a bottom line which says wait for clearer fundamentals and regulatory resolution before considering an IPO investment. You see how good this is. This is really awesome. If you have liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and also go ahead and watch my other videos as well on the Hermes agent and the OpenClaw agent. Link for those are given in the video description. And if you want me to take you through some other examples, please don't forget to comment. Let me know. I will try to make a video in that particular topic as soon as possible. All right, everyone. Bye bye. Take care.